In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Stumble Guys with friends. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before you start, make sure that you and your friends are on the same server or same region. You can check this by clicking the little settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, and all the way up you will be able to find this option, Server Region. Make sure that you select the appropriate server and that both of you or everyone who is going to play is on the same exact server. Once you select the corresponding server, go back to the home screen and access the party menu at the right side. One of you will have to create the party and everyone else is going to join using the room code. So you can create a normal game or a custom game. It doesn't matter, this is just personal preference. And you have two options to play with your friends. You can share the room code over here at the bottom left corner of the screen and they can join using the room code. Or you can add your friends directly through this window and invite them to the party as you can see over here. But as long as you use the room code or you invite them, by clicking on their names after you select Add Friend, they will be able to join you on your room and start playing together. I won't be able to demonstrate this, but after the party is all set up, you can start playing together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Stumble Guys with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.